Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog, Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm going to be unboxing my April Allure beauty box. I don't know why I waited so long, but better late than never. I switched my address, so hopefully I'll be getting them sooner in the month now. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you're not familiar with Allure's beauty box, they give you 2 full-size products every month and some regular more deluxe samples, I guess. It comes with this coupon book that also explains everything and gives you the retail price. Most of these will have a discount code that you can apply if you buy it within a certain time frame from trying your sample if you like it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this little perfume. It's a 0.24 fluid ounce and it's Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's really cute, really pretty, and it smells amazing, I have to say. So I'll put some on right here. I know technically you're not supposed to transfer from one wrist to the other because it bruises the scent or something, but I find it doesn't really bother me to do it. It's so good. So good. The next thing I've heard works really well, I haven't tried it yet myself, but this is Cica Pear, and it's got tiger grass in it, and it's like a green color, and it helps to cancel out redness in your skin. So I have some, well, you can't probably see them that well now, but I have some capillaries and like a little bit of redness on my cheeks that I'm thinking that this might actually help me out with. So I'm looking forward to trying it. This is for a hair product. It's called Mane Magic, and it's a multi-benefit 10-in-1 primer. And I am going crazy about my hair. I've been taking hair vitamins. I'm trying to grow it. I had extensions for a long time, and I had a lot of breakage. And so I have about this much regrowth, and I'm trying to just do everything I can to grow it and pamper it. This is 100% vegan, and it has no sulfites, no parabens, and no phthalates. I think that's how you say it. So as per usual, everything will be linked down below in the description box. So you're technically supposed to use this on damp hair, but I love the smell. It smells so good. It can't hurt. I imagine if your hair is dry, but it does say to use it on damp hair. But that smells amazing, and it's not that expensive. I think the full size is only $12. So the next thing is a full-size Thrive Cosmetics, and that's spelled CAUSEMETICS. I'm really excited to try this. For every product you purchase, we donate to help women thrive, so that's their cause. But this is also vegan and cruelty-free and paraben and sulfate-free. That came in 2 colors. There was a nude color and this more of a berry color. I specifically knew that we were getting a lip liner, so I figured I would try it on in the video. So it glides on really, really easy, and I like the formula. It's not hard at all. So it's going on really smooth and luxurious feeling glide onto your lip. I'm going to start with my outer lip and kind of frame my whole lip, and then I will fill it in. And I always usually do that with lip liner, but some of them can be a little drying. I usually fill in the whole lip, and then, like, what do I have here? This is a good one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's really like a pale neutral color. I'm not sure if it'll be too much for this, but like too light. I actually got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in a different box. I think it was FabFitFun, if I'm not mistaken. I kind of like it because it tones it down a little bit, actually. And then the Floss Gloss. As I'm watching the playback of this, all I can see are my lashes. I have magnetic eyelashes that I've been experimenting with
while my extensions grow out during this quarantine.
It also has a built-in sharpener in the eyeliner. So that's good. I actually could wear this combination. I think it suits me. But because I did notice how easily it glides on, I might actually be interested in buying the nude one, depending on if it's a good deal. Looks like they're $20 each, and if you purchase it between now and June 20th, you can get 15% off. So I might go ahead and get the nude one because I did really like it. Now the next thing in the box is, get this out of my way, the Allure Balanced Toner. And it's really a nice size. It's a 1 ounce size. It comes in a glass bottle. And this is organic, clean, and cruelty-free also. It's phthalate-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, organic, wild harvested, vegan, and natural. So these are really good products. They're a little bit pricey, but I also tried their lip one in a different box, and it was really good too. So I'll definitely use that when I'm out of my current toner. I'm kind of trying to use up everything that I have now before I repurchase too many things because I'm having a hard time getting through what I already have. But the next one is Allure by Jean Seo, and this is called Balance, and it's a hydrating and calming serum. And I have a serum that I'm using, so I'm not going to open it until I'm ready to use it. But I've heard that it glides on really nice and almost instantly just kind of rehydrates your skin. So I am looking forward to trying it, but I want it to be fresh. And last but not least is the Perlice. It's a sheet mask, and I have a different kind of mask, like an exfoliating mask that I got from them, and I really like it, and it's the same line with the watermelon. So I will definitely use this. I'm trying to do masks, I think, on Sundays, and at least on Sundays, and so I think I'll save this one for a cheery mask on Sunday. So anyway, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more.